Welcome to our channel English with Areeba. Here you can enjoy beautiful stories and also learn English while listening. The sky was soft and gray when Lena walked into the small cafe. The city outside felt busy. Inside, everything felt slow and calm. Warm yellow lights glowed above the tables. Quiet music played in the background. The smell of coffee filled the air. Lena chose a seat near the window. She liked sitting there. It made her feel less alone. She placed her bag on the chair beside her and wrapped her hands around a warm cup of cappuccino. Her eyes moved toward the glass window. She watched people walk past. Some were talking, some were laughing, some looked tired. Lena felt tired too. Not in her body, in her heart. Life had been heavy for a long time. She carried many feelings that she never spoke about. She did not expect anything special from this evening. She only wanted peace. The cafe door opened. A young man walked inside. His name was Adam. He stopped near the entrance. He looked around the cafe. Almost every table was full. Then his eyes fell on the empty chair across from Lena. He stood there for a moment. He looked unsure. Then he slowly walked toward her. "Excuse me," he said softly. "Is anyone sitting here?" Lena looked up. Their eyes met. Her breath caught slightly. She did not know why. "No," she said quietly. "You can sit." "Thank you," Adam replied. He sat down. He placed his bag near his feet. Lena looked back toward the window. Her heart started beating faster. She felt strange. She felt aware of him. His presence felt gentle, not loud, not heavy. A few seconds passed. "It is cold outside," Adam said. "Yes," Lena replied, "but I like this weather." Adam smiled. "I like it too. The city feels calmer." Lena turned her face toward him. "I think rain makes everything feel softer." Adam nodded. "Yes, softer is the right word." Their eyes met again. Lena felt warmth spread inside her chest. "What are you drinking?" Adam asked. "Cappuccino," Lena said. "Nice choice," Adam replied. "I ordered black coffee." "Do you like it?" Lena asked. "Not really," Adam said with a small laugh, "but I pretend I do." Lena smiled. It was a real smile, the kind she had not felt in a long time. Silence came between them. It did not feel uncomfortable. It felt peaceful. Adam noticed a book near Lena's cup. "You like reading?" he asked. "Yes," Lena replied. "It helps me forget the world." Adam looked at her with interest. "Forget in a good way or a bad way?" "Both," Lena said honestly. Adam nodded slowly. "I understand that." Something in his voice made Lena feel understood. They talked about small things. Favorite music, favorite places in the city, simple likes and dislikes. Nothing serious. Yet every word felt important. Adam noticed how softly Lena spoke. Lena noticed how carefully Adam listened. Adam did not check his phone. Lena did not feel rushed. Time passed quietly. Adam looked at his watch. "I should go," he said. Lena felt a small ache in her heart. "Okay," she replied. Adam stood up. "I'm really glad I sat here," he said. "Talking to you feels nice." Lena looked up at him. "Talking to you feels nice too." Adam took a napkin and wrote something. "This is my number," he said, "if you ever feel like talking." Lena took the napkin. "Thank you," she said softly. Adam smiled. "My name is Adam." Lena replied, "I am Lena." "Nice to meet you, Lena." "Nice to meet you, Adam." Adam walked toward the door. Before leaving, he looked back. "Have a good evening, Lena." "You too, Adam." The door closed behind him. Lena looked down at the napkin in her hand. Her heart felt warm. She did not know what this feeling was, but she knew one thing. Something gentle had started. Days passed, but Lena kept thinking about Adam. She read his name on the napkin many times. Sometimes she smiled without realizing it. Sometimes she wondered if he would ever message first. One evening, she gathered courage. "Hi, Adam, this is Lena." Her finger hovered over the send button for a moment. Then she pressed it. A few seconds later, her phone vibrated. "Hi, Lena, I was hoping you would message." Her heart beat faster. From that night, small conversations began. "How was your day? Did you eat? What are you doing?" Simple words. but they felt special. They started meeting after work, sometimes in the same cafe, sometimes walking through quiet streets, sometimes sitting on a park bench. One evening they walked side by side under soft streetlights. I feel comfortable with you, Adam said quietly. Lena looked at him. Me too. They smiled at each other. They talked about their lives. Adam told her he wanted to become a graphic designer. He wanted to open his own small studio one day. I am scared I will fail, he said. Lena looked at him. You care about your dreams. That means you are already brave. Adam felt warmth in his chest. Lena shared her own fears. I am scared of being left, Lena said. People leave when I start trusting them. Adam stopped walking. He looked at her seriously. I am not planning to leave. Lena swallowed. You cannot promise that, she said softly. Adam shook his head. I cannot promise the future, but I can promise honesty. That felt stronger than a promise. Small caring moments filled their days. Adam brought Lena her favorite pastry. Lena reminded Adam to drink water. Adam gave Lena his jacket when it got cold. Lena fixed Adam's messy hair without thinking. Sometimes they sat quietly, no talking, just being there. One night they sat near the river. City lights reflected on the water. Lena hugged her knees. Do you ever feel lonely? Adam asked. Yes, Lena replied. Me too, Adam said. They looked at each other. In that moment they both knew they were not alone anymore. Adam slowly placed his hand near Lena's hand. Their fingers did not touch, but they felt the closeness. Lena's heart whispered, he feels safe. Adam's heart whispered, protect her. Neither of them said the word love, but love was growing, slowly, silently, beautifully. Everything felt good between them, too good. Lena started to depend on Adam's presence. His messages made her mornings better. His voice made her nights calmer. Adam also felt the same. Lena had become a part of his daily life. He shared his thoughts with her. He told her about his stress. He told her when he felt tired. He trusted her. One afternoon, Lena was walking back from work. She turned onto a small street near the cafe. That was when she saw Adam. He was standing near a shop. A girl stood in front of him. She was smiling. Adam was smiling too. The girl touched Adam's arm. Lena stopped walking. Her heart dropped. Her body felt cold. She stood there for a few seconds. Adam did not see her. Lena turned around and walked away. Her steps felt heavy, her mind filled with painful thoughts. So I was never special. He already has someone. I was just a passing moment. That night Adam messaged, Hey, are you okay? Lena looked at her phone. Her fingers shook. She wanted to ask, Who is she? She wanted to say, I saw you. But fear stopped her. Yes, I am fine, she typed. Adam felt something wrong. You feel distant, he replied. I'm just busy, Lena wrote. Adam stared at his screen. Her replies were short. Her tone felt cold. Days passed. Lena stopped sharing her day. She stopped calling. Adam tried harder. Did I do something wrong? Please talk to me. Lena read every message. She cried. She typed replies, then deleted them. If I ask and he says he loves her, I will break. Adam could not understand. He replayed every moment in his head. He felt helpless. One night Adam wrote, Please tell me what I did. Lena read it. Tears fell onto her phone. She could not breathe properly. She did not reply. Silence grew. Adam stopped messaging. Not because he stopped caring, because he felt rejected. Lena waited for his message. It did not come. Her heart ached. Adam waited for her explanation. It did not come. Both were hurting. Both missed each other. Both felt empty. The city felt louder. The nights felt longer. Love had turned into pain. Lena could not sleep. Every time she closed her eyes, she saw Adam's face. His smile. His caring eyes. The way he listened to her. The way he made her feel safe. She realized something. Staying silent was hurting more than knowing the truth. The next evening, Lena walked to the cafe where they first met. Her hands were shaking. Her heart was beating fast. She sat at the same table near the window. Minutes passed. She kept looking at the door. Then the door opened. Adam walked inside. He looked tired. His eyes searched the cafe. When he saw Lena, he stopped. Their eyes met. Both felt a rush of emotions: hurt, relief, love. Adam slowly walked toward her. "Why did you disappear?" he asked quietly. Lena stood up. Her voice trembled. "I saw you with another girl. I thought you found someone else." Adam looked shocked. "Another girl," he repeated. "Yes," Lena said. Outside near the shop, Adam took a deep breath. "She is my cousin. She moved to the city last month." Lena felt her knees weaken. "I did not know," she whispered. Adam stepped closer. "You should have asked me." "I was scared," Lena said. "I care about you too much." Adam's eyes softened. "You hurt me, Lena. I thought you stopped caring." Tears rolled down Lena's cheeks. "I never stopped caring." Adam was silent for a moment. Then he said, "I missed you every day." Lena looked at him. "I missed you too." Adam reached for her hand. "Please do not shut me out again." Lena nodded. "I promise." Adam took another step closer. "Lena," he said softly, "I love you." Lena's breath caught. "I love you too, Adam." Adam pulled her into his arms. Lena rested her head on his chest. She felt his heartbeat. Strong, steady, real. They stayed like that for a long moment. No words, only feelings. Adam kissed the top of her head. "We will talk when something hurts," he said. "We will not run." Lena nodded. "We will choose each other." They held hands and sat down. Outside, light rain started falling, just like the night they met. Lena looked at Adam. This time she did not feel alone. She felt safe. She felt loved. Adam squeezed her hand. Two hearts, one love, one quiet promise. They would walk together, slowly, patiently, happily. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button for more videos.